The driver receives almost all his information via the display. Today in the new C-Class, you'll find out how to remove it. First, remove the key. With the plastic wedge, pry off the cover on the dashboard. There are a total of 6 retaining clips. The display is mounted with 2 screws. They are now accessible. Undo them. The safety screws remain on the display. Once you've undone the screws, move the display carefully forward and disconnect the connectors. Now a few notes to the installation. This is how the screws may not be for the installation. Otherwise, the instrument panel could be damaged. To prevent this from happening, a retainer is installed. Before the installation, turn the screws upward until they snap into place. Installation is in the reverse order.